Yo. Wait down. Gonna put some music on, make an Instagram story. Okay. Sometimes BTC, yes. Wait, I have to push some stuff. Okay, so let me do Instagram story also. And we are ready. Quick picture here. Absolutely amazing. Alright, I have to change this. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me promote quickly on Instagram. And then we're gonna get into the charts. We're gonna get into it. Okay. Copying this link really quick. This is amazing. Okay. How's everybody doing? How's life? How's everybody's Monday? To be honest, mine's been fun. I went to the gym, got some bigger arms, and then I had a good. I had one stop loss, one take profit level with the VIP. We're actually still in this trade with the VIP. Where did we enter? Yeah, we entered here. We're actually still in this trade. I'm still in this trade at the moment. Stop loss was here. Stop loss at break even now. So we're still in this trade at the moment. I didn't trade the accumulation, but let me quickly get into this. Join me here. Live direction. And voila. Amazing. Here, putting up this. So, quick click. What pair and time frame is that? This is gold, as you can see. Oh yes. I'm actually gonna enter a trade very soon, so I have to post this story really quick. Okay. Okay, that's amazing. Wow. I just saw a yacht that I want. It's only 122 meter, one of the most expensive yachts in the world. One day I'll get it. One day I'll get it. All right. So, let's get into it. Let's get on the chart. So at the moment I'm still in a trade with the VIP, which is about to hit our second take profit level. So for the VIP members that are currently watching, make sure that you have break even set at this point. You can actually move your stop loss to first take profit level. You can move your stop loss to the first take profit level, and let's wait for this hit. Immediately when we're gonna hit our take profit level 2, we're gonna enter a sell trade as well. So let's quickly analyze. It's a simple chart. So we are in this accumulation. So what I expect again to happen is this manipulation to the upside. This manipulation will fill this order block. Then we have a 5-minute fair value gap laying right over here. This is this little 5-minute fair value gap. So I have my stop loss placed just above that. Yeah, that's what I'm currently looking at. So yeah, let's hope that we go a bit further. We have our stop actually set right over here. At the moment you should have your stop loss set here. So let me mark it out for you. For the VIP members that are in the trades, we took first take profit level 1 hour. I always do 1 hour first take profit level, so 30 pip stop loss, 30 pips take profit, and the second take profit level is always 100 pips. So we will get a risk reward on every trade of about 2. Yeah, will be 2 total, because the total trade is 3. On one we will hit 3, on the other one we will hit 1-1. So this means that a total of 2.0 ratio on every single trade. So let's now just play out this trade very beautiful, so we can enter our sell trade all together. By the way, big announcement. My VIP is still free at the moment, but I will definitely make it paid very soon. I will not keep it free for longer, because the results that we're getting are really good. Already these trades that I'm giving for free here, people were able to make a lot of money from them already. Also the results that we are getting in the VIP, I do not know what price point, but definitely if you have a capital to start with, let's say you can start with $500 for example, I do recommend that you start with 1,000. But if I do the math, you could easily be sitting at around 2,000-3,000 a month after 2-3 months. Might sound weird, or how you're gonna quadruple an account. All my education is in there as well, which is also going to explain the risk management that you should use, how I trade. And I do want to make it very clear. That's why we trade with live accounts or real money, not funded money. First of all, funded prop firms, they're there to make sure that you lose, that you blow the account. That's why you have this. So you should only risk 1%. You should only risk 1% if you're unconfident at the end of the day. Because even in Wall Street, they're throwing more money in than 1% of the whole capital that they're managing. Okay, they are the market makers, but if you do know a little bit how to trade and how the market works, how to enter trades, etc., you can go in with more. But anyway, this is all explained in the free education that I provide in the VIP, and it's free to join still for now. I will take on some spots later. We entered this trade as well all together. If it hits second take profit level, that would be amazing. Then we can enter our sell trade all together right now. And after the stream, of course, I will open some more spots. So for people that were here, you will also be able to trade a US session with me. Yeah. And by the way, pair and time frame, sorry. So this is gold, 1 minute time frame. I don't know if you lost it or not, to be honest. That's what I mean with funded accounts. It's with funded accounts, it's a mess. It's really a mess. You can lose, you can win money, but at the end of the day, if they don't pay you out, you're just screwed. So then, why did you make money? That's the whole thing. But anyway, I don't want to get in any I don't want to get in any negativity on this stream. I want to keep it positive. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, I definitely believe that we'll hit second day profit level on this trade. And after I will enter the sell. Okay, this music, it's not it at the moment. Let's see, what do we want? What kind of music do we want? Okay. Meanwhile, I have to stay a bit prepared for this beautiful trade. I'll tell you guys when I'm entering. I'll almost enter, by the way. We need to push higher. One little push higher. I will know before this because I'm looking on MetaTrader 5 as well. Okay, I'm entering now. So, second take profit level was hit. I just entered a new trade as well. This is the trade. This is the setup. Stop loss 4025. Entry is 4022. If you can get a better entry now, that's amazing. If you fill this order block out, that would be super. Might test this fair value gap as well on the 5 minute. So first take profit level is always 30 pips. So let me mark it down for you. And this looks also, the chart lately looks too good. Like everything is retesting on levels that are like really good. Okay, so we just blew above this very. Okay, I will put my stop loss higher. We have this order block as well. I'll make this a bit of a bigger trade. Because I don't want to get stopped out. I would have re-entered if we got stopped out. But it will be easier if we just put the stop loss a bit higher at this point. Exactly, filling up this order block. It's amazing. Okay, we just tick this order block. Also, this is, you guys already know I do everything manual, so I don't set exactly my stop loss and take profit levels. I do it manual. because if I see movements of the market, I will always want to change potentially. I'm opening some extra entries right now. So it's like 2 trades at the end of the day. This is beautiful. And stop loss just above here. This will then be more of a swing trade that we're gonna come to catch this order block that I wanted to catch today, instead of a smaller trade. I'll give take profit levels in a bit. Just let me quickly manage this here. Okay, the 1 minute, perfect. 5 is looking perfect, okay. Right. So our entries here are running in profit. That's amazing. Just to make it a bit cleaner for you guys. So just to give you guys a good overview, I'll quickly make it like this. Voila. This is what we're trying to get. Hopla. So trades that we currently entered. So for this trade, okay. So we have entries right over here. No, we're selling. You could still enter if you want, but only one position. We've entered 2 positions. So for this trade, you can set your first take profit level down at this order block inside of this little fair value gap. Which has just been hit. So your high entry, you hit 1 take profit level at the moment. You can set break even for the second entry, by the way. So break even is your stop loss at your entry level. This entry we're still letting it run, and we will have our first take profit level at this order block right over here, which is also 1R. Voila. Let me quickly get rid of this. So our highest entry is right over here. I just want to make it clear because it can be kind of confusing. Highest entries right over here. We're having break even set. Entries that we have right over here, we still have our stop loss set, and our first take profit level is gonna be right over here. 417 on this order block. Make this a little bigger. You have the take profit levels now? Still any questions about the trade or not? If any of you are still confused, let me know. Okay, top. Top, I like to hear that. How's the 5 minute doing? This is amazing. So if we close this 1 minute a bit bearish, that would be amazing. We might come to test, by the way, this I believe we'll have our drop now. So we're gonna close the 5-minute candle as well in 20 seconds, which is nice. And we should fill up this order block, which is nice also. Okay, this is super actually. We just moved. So the moment we were running in profit, both trades. Amazing, amazing, amazing. But we're at the top. For this trade as well, this is a second take profit level. So when you take first take profit here, your second take profit level on the second trade that we entered. This is a shorter scalp, this is longer, so we will probably most likely go straight through it right now. Exactly. So 2 take profit levels hit on this trade. Yeah, highest entries. 2 take profit levels just got hit. First take profit level just got hit on this trade. So right now what we will do is we will set our break even. So you make sure that you set your stop loss to your break even, and we will let this run towards this order block down here. My pleasure again for all the profits. I'm keeping this win streak very good. That's very nice. Super nice. This. Very nice. Amazing. If we will drop below, so I'll manage it with you guys manual. Anyway, if you have some questions, let me know. So today is an amazing day, guys. Today's really an amazing day. Like wow, I'm so happy already. It's only the start of London session, so it's 10:17 at the moment in Europe, Central European time. We hit 1 stop loss in the morning, then we hit 2 take profit levels, we hit again 2 take profit levels, and now we are hit again also 1 take profit level, and now we're waiting for a second take profit level to be hit. If we drop below this accumulation that we previously had, so if we drop below this accumulation that we previously had, I will also place my stop loss on this first take profit level, so that we will 100% win the trade with a 1 hour. I will not do that yet because what I'm expecting to happen, let me make the chart also a bit more clear. Let me get rid of this further, yep, etc. Let me get rid of our old trade. The little scalp that we took. We entered this one first. Can get rid of this as well now. What might happen is that we fill this fair value gap. If we break higher, we might even re-enter at that moment. But so far so good. For those of you that entered the trade, let me know how much profits you guys have made. And please follow everything manually with me. This is the most important thing, that you follow everything manually with me. You don't have to fill in. If we're on the live stream, the point is that we do everything manually. That's why I'm doing these live streams, to make it easier for you guys. Because it could be quite tricky, you know, following just regular signals. That's why I'm doing these live streams. I'm doing some only for the VIP, and I'm doing some for the public right now. You got already 2 profitable trades. I'll probably enter 1 or 2 more positions. Let's just see how this plays out. If we get an extra opportunity in the meantime, I might take it. It depends how you live. Like, I could, for example, never live off $10,000 a month. For example, it's totally, you know, I don't like to really talk about expenses because I have expenses that people couldn't even imagine, and that when I was thinking about making 10,000 a month or even making 10,000 a month, I wouldn't even think, yeah, that anything of this was normal. For example, the weekend mainly I will go to the beach. What will I spend at the beach for me and my girlfriend is around $1,000 per day that we go to the beach. I do that on average 3 times a week. So that's $3,000 per week. So we're at 12,000 per month that I spend just by going to the beach and eating there. Then I might take a hotel sometimes. Then I might need to fly sometimes, etc. So to live how I'm living, no, absolutely not. Like I have my car in Monaco as well. I have expenses there. I have expenses here in Dubai. Since the winter, I'm going to be staying here. I have the flat that I also hired. I have also real estate that I bought, which I have monthly payments on. So yeah, to get to the life that I'm currently living, you will not make it with 10,000 a month. This is not a brag or anything. Everybody is at a different stage in life, and I, for example, spend that on food alone. There are some people that they are making still 10 times what I'm making, even 1,000 times what I'm making, and they spend 10,000 euros a day on food and restaurants. Uh, Everybody's at a different stage in life, and you just have to enjoy the journey as well, and not really compare yourself to others. You can set yourself a goal. For example, I'm always around people that they are doing way better than me. Some people who are worth half a billion, which I'm absolutely not. People that earn 1 million a day, which I'm absolutely not doing. I'm doing super great for myself. On average, I will take always more than 6 figures. I will not tell you how many. But yeah, this took time. You need to position yourself right, and then it all comes. But of course, to get to your question, because people get confused. People always want to live like a king and they think 10,000 is enough. No, that's not enough. But if you want to get yourself a nice flat, you can get things. You will not live on the palm, like I have here. On the palm, in the best tower, I don't know if you can actually see it. With all the villas, you will not live here. You might not even live in downtown or something. But you can get a nice place, maybe somewhere in GVC or whatever, not too far, for $2,000 a month. If you want something simple in downtown, you might also find it for $2,000 a month. Food you will spend on average also, I believe, $2,000 a month. If you eat at simple places and if you eat alone. So yeah, if you want to live a normal life, of course, but if you want to live crazy, you will need more money. But everybody has to start somewhere. So yeah. And trading can work for everybody. I think I made a video about this recently as well. That trading is a scam. Actually, it's a scam to the 95% of people that give up. Uh, then at the end of the day, it's just that you're scamming yourself at the moment. I built a little bit of capital, not a huge amount of capital. I actually started with, what was it? Yeah, like $400. I started making money with $400, and then I did some stuff on the side to make more while I was also trading it up. While I was losing some left and right because I didn't want to follow people. I wanted to do my own thing. But I highly recommend everybody that, for example, in this stream, you're following my trades. I highly appreciate everybody for watching. But I highly recommend that you have one person that you follow. If you want to follow me, I have all my free education, which is lovely. But still, I want to still let you guys know that I have recently got a very nice watch on. This was always my dream. I'm so happy with it. It's an RM6702. I don't know if it wants to make it clear. Well, so I recently got that. It's $400,000, and it's simply because I never gave up. So for the 95% of people that are still thinking that trading is a scam, it is absolutely not a scam. You just gave up, and you have to just keep going, and one day you'll get this as well. I'm not even trying to like flex on anybody or something, but yeah, it's just. It's motivation. See everything as motivation. Don't feel if I would look at what the people have that I have around me, I would feel super bad. So I just want to give you some motivation in the meantime, because I want to have something to talk about while we are. What are we at the moment? So over 100 pips in profit. At this point, like I said, set your stop loss to the first take profit level. So it's minimum going to be a 1 hour. Actually, set your stop loss at the moment. I'm sorry. Set your stop loss here. 4017. So yeah, it's actually at first take profit level. But I believe we'll hit second. If we close this 1 minute, I'll tell you guys to put it even higher. So let's just see what that's gonna do. But I believe we'll actually hit. Let me just check. And here we're gonna most likely enter a buy. This is a big trade, guys. This is a very, very big trade. Yes, I did. This is a big trade that we just catched. This is. The live streams are going super well. I'm super happy with it. Okay, so now just put your. You can put your. Okay, done deal. Take profit. Boom. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. I love this. I love this. I absolutely love this. Okay, so we just broke through. We're gonna probably break a little lower. Okay, this is amazing. Entry 4025. Take profit level 4006. That's 190 pips that we catched. Again, 2 take profit levels. That's super amazing. Super happy with that. If we hit back in this zone, I would I'm considering to buy. Not sure yet. Just want to see how the market's moving. I want to see this 1 minute close before I make any decision, because we're moving quite fast at the moment. And we might come to test this also. Thank you. By the way, I have to just make some edits. No order lock. Wait. Okay, yes, I'm buying again. Wait. Now. 406. 406. Put this on the side. We'll buy till this order block. We have to fill that gap again. So first take profit level is again gonna be 30 pips. It's in this fair value gap. So you risk half of what you already made today. That's how it works. So 2 take profit levels are hit. If you made 1k, now you will risk 500 on this trade to make another 1,000. So you're either gonna be at 500 or you're gonna be at you're gonna be at 500 or you will be at 2,000. And so far it's going good. This is amazing. If we hit this, I'm done for today, by the way. Then I will be done. I believe we'll have a little fake out underneath these levels. And work it. That's exactly what I was thinking. Ah, damn it. Okay, we'll enter here again. Unfortunately, small stop loss hit. So enter back here into this order block. I'll write down also what trades that we took. So I want to enter at 99. To have 96 as my take profit level. It would be sad if we just came to liquidate everything and now shoot up and miss the trade. It can always happen. $3,960, I don't believe, because I'm bullish anyway. Might, but at this point, if it does that, would be weird. I don't believe that will happen at the moment. So, okay. I hope we drop inside. On the 5-minute, that will also look good to retest on there. Here we're in this big 5-minute order block. I'm gonna try to catch the perfect trade. Lately on gold, we can't catch perfect entries. So, that's pretty nice. Yeah, we might not make it. But anyways, I'm also like okay. I would have preferred to hit the take profit level, but like losses are still normal, and this is how you manage everything. Like for example, like I told you guys, if you made 1,000, now you risk 500. If you lose, you're at 500. If you win, you would be at 2,000. You know, just to give the example. Okay. So we're in there at the moment. Almost. Please stick inside. I don't want to enter before because we can get a better entry. Okay, I'm entering now. Just to make sure that we have it. I'm gonna go for a bit of a larger trade. So, 4001. Want to enter. So yeah, catch it. 4001. Stop loss is gonna be 3996. So it's a 50 pip stop loss. So our first take profit level will be 4006. We might make a support of this. That's why I'm doing it. 4006. I just want to make sure we have the entry. That's why I already entered. And we're running on profit, so this is amazing. If I'm not mistaken, we just closed the 5-minute candle. We close it with this wick. So I'm pretty bullish that on this 5-minute candle we can hit this. Could also happen since it's 10:30 that we start getting slow momentum. But we're in the trade. You can set, and don't set nothing yet. Don't set nothing yet. Let just play out. We'll for sure do it. Okay, I'm just checking market movement, so don't worry. That's why I'm a bit quiet at the moment. Okay, you can set your break even just for 0 risk at the moment. Set break even. Set break even now. If we hit break even, we'll probably break through here and we re-enter. But just to make sure, because we might just go up. That's actually what I'm expecting. I don't think we will go lower, to be fair. Okay. This is okay. So if we lose this trade, we'll be back at 0 at the end of the day. But this is how you risk. This is how you manage. This is how you manage risk. How you manage your capital, etc. You know, you come, for example, in first time you want to risk 500 to make 1,000. After you make 1,000, you risk 500 to make another 1,000. After, if you're at that point, you can risk more. You see what I mean? Okay, we're pushing up. We're pushing up. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's what I want to see. That's what I want to see. Amazing. Come on. Let's get it. Let's push inside this. Let's close this 1 minute and push him up. Come on. This 1 minute candle will be it. Yeah, it's also pretty, maybe it's pretty weird for you guys, but because I'm looking at MetaTrader 5, because we have a 5-second delay all the time on TradingView, so I'm always looking at MetaTrader 5, so you might hear me speaking before, which could be kind of confusing for some of you. Come on, just push up. Yeah. 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 It will push up now. I see it happening. I can see it already. I can smell it. I can smell this. I like the smell of money. Anyway, we have break even set. So make sure you have that also. Okay, if we can just close this 5 minute around 4005, I'm pretty sure on the next 5-minute candle we'll jump inside our first take profit level, and we'll keep momentum also from there, most likely. If we hit break even, I will enter there also again. Okay, we have 40 seconds. 13. Okay, it's not doing what I wanted, but I don't like this. But anyway, I have a good feeling. Like we might, that's what my little expectation is, ticking this fair value gap most likely of the 5 minutes before, because we will probably, on the, I don't know. Because on the 5 minute it actually looks already perfect. Because this, you guys need to keep in mind. Let's actually switch over to this 5 minute. This order block. So we're actually good for it. But we might want to catch some entries again, you know, on this 1 minute order block. That's why I'm also gonna keep looking at the 1 minute. Because I believe we'll tick inside. Okay, so break even hit. There's no problem. Break even just got hit. Unfortunate, but you can enter again. 3999. 39999. I'll give you guys setup. 1 second. I'll make it a clearer overview. One second, guys. 3999. If we push through, we're cooked. But I don't think we'll push through. Okay, so first take profit level. Second, I'm just setting everything up on my end. Alright, so first take profit level is 4002. 30 pips stop loss, 30 pips entry was here. Okay. This is also kind of normal 5 minute that we're looking at. As long as we don't break through there, we are actually good. It's unfortunate that the other one wouldn't break even. But what to do? Running in profit now, which is amazing. Okay, let's get it. Let's just tick this one. Let's get some volume in again. If we would drop down, we would drop down after this negative order block. Like, I don't see it happening that we don't retest from the level that we're currently at, trading at. Where's our 5 minute order block? Let's check. That for me, this is not super mega valid, but I could say this one. Ooh. I believe we'll get stopped out, to be fair. If I'm being honest. That means we'll be break even. which is a bit sad. That was so close. But we have 20 seconds for this candle. That was very close. Ooh. This was close. Okay. Yeah, well, what the fuck, man? This is too close. Honestly, if it... Yeah, that's what I thought it would go through. Okay, stop loss it, unfortunately. Gonna look for another trade. At the moment. So yeah, we have so many... We have actually so many order blocks on the 1 minute that haven't really been hit, which we'll most likely retest on. Which is why I would be which one I'm gonna be looking at now to retest, and that will also be the final trade of the stream. So we have actually this, and then we have this down, but this is also taken a little bit. We have this at the moment that we're currently trading in, which is an option. We also went through, so since it went more down, we will try to catch this. This is still looking beautiful. On the 5 minute, let's also quickly look what we got here. Just need one very solid entry, and we'll be good for it. At the moment we're at break even, which is a bit sad, because we started the stream really good. It depends how you manage your risk, etc. Or I might go for a sell. Might go for a sell. Nah, we just got liquidated. This is so sad, actually. I believe we'll go higher and then we can go back for a sell. That's a bit sad. That is a bit sad, unfortunately. So we have this negative order block, which I'm still sure we will test. So we have, yeah, 2 options, very likely. But I do want to enter a buy before this sell. But I'm sure we'll hit this level. We have to. At least this. At least that. Let's see what 5 minutes do. So yeah, 5 minutes getting whack. This might be. I'm analyzing. I'm just waiting for the market to do something. This is risky, but I do want to enter it because that's where I want to sell. Or if we got liquidated. If you want to take the risk, enter. 3396. First take profit level is gonna be 4003 because I'm really sure of the levels. Second take profit 4016. Let's get this. Oh, amazing. Okay, we're running already in profit. That's what I like. Okay, I took a bit of a risk here, but we just got liquidated out of our position. Okay, amazing. Let's go. Set break even for 0 risk. Set it. Come on, push. Let's close. Oh, yes. Yeah, we like this. How much we have for the 5? Okay. Yes, we're liking this. I believe we'll have the push to our take profit level now on the 1 minute. Easy. No, we die for it. We'll die for it. Yep. Okay, first take profit level hit. Take profit. First take profit level hit. That's hit. That's hit. That's amazing. And now we might test. I don't believe we'll go fully through. So okay, let's just shoot through. Makes the most sense. You know. Makes the most sense. Beautiful 5 minutes. So you already know. You said break even on the rest of your position. So your trade looks like this. Let's shoot through. Shoot through this 1 minute. Anyway, I want to fill this. For sure, I want to fill this further leg up. Without a doubt. Okay, 1 minute is going to close. Absolutely through it, I hope. Come on. Okay, we'll hit it. We'll definitely hit this further leg up. When we hit this further leg up, we will also put our second take profit level. Our stop loss, we will put it at our first take profit level. So a good trade, by the way. I need to calculate all the pips that we took. I need to calculate. We're pretty damn profitable again. Nice. Happy. Come on. The streams are honestly going good. And also, the markets to trade now are easy. If you're starting out... Okay, now we had a little fake out. But for the people that are starting out now with trading... Like, in my opinion, it has never really been easier to scalp gold or anything. If you're like scalping what I'm doing, in my opinion, these times with the volatility, like this is the 1 minute, guys. And the reactions are almost perfect. Like I could, like, probably say that if we go down in this fair value gap now, we'll probably do that. Then we could easily enter another trade and move. Okay, we just did this is still possible. Just like here that we got liquidated out of the position. Of course, this will still happen sometimes, but we have to hit a stop loss once. We cannot only win. Like, it's normal. Not saying that I will enter here. But I mean, we could, you know. But still. I want to go to this fair value gap. Which we will do. Okay, this 5 minutes. I don't like the closure of it, but what to do? What to do, guys? Not everything will look perfect, but this will go in this fair value gap. I mean, before we will do a big drop, but I'm expecting this order block. It's only 50 pips more. 50 pips more. Yeah, 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 yeah. I should become a freestyle rapper, I think. Okay, also I need to quickly check something. By the way, you guys have any questions or something? I also never really see how many people are watching. I just have this chat in my OBS. So it might be 0 people. That would be very sad, actually, because we're trading good. Come on. Just vibing. Wait, let me actually I want some different song. What kind of music should I put on? Let me know, guys. Come on. Also, come on, this 5 fucking minute, like, move a bit faster. I don't want to accumulate now. What's this? Also, what a shitty accumulation are we having? At least a bigger one, so we can trade it. We can make more money of it. I'm like 99% sure we will have this. We will form an accumulation now. Manipulate inside of this. Boom, go up more. It looks too easy to trade now. I do not get it. We'll have this accumulation. Okay, what music am I putting on, guys? Oh, damn it, this phone is 1%. I should change it. Let me check on the other phone. I have one phone purely to trade, and the other phone I have my messages on. Okay, we will manipulate inside of this thing. Like, that's sure about it. But depending on how long this accumulation is gonna go on for. Okay, I can delete this already. It all depends on this. Oh, it would be nice if we go. How is the 5 minutes? This is almost closing. So in a 1 minute, this would. This is looking solid actually. That we are going through. Yeah, we have some seconds left. We hit it also here, so yeah, yeah, that's what we will do. We will tick inside for a moment, fill some more orders that we didn't fill yet down. Might fill this order block, that would be sad. Actually, if we fill it high, it will be good. Just don't want to get stopped out. Okay, we're pushing up again. Just want to go inside of this further up. See. Like, it's just so funny how it's like, I don't even want to show this because it's just like it's too easy for some reason. Like, look, literally, literally, like this is absurd. Actually, this is actually absurd. If we shoot up from here, it's like too easy to trade at this point. Like, okay, whatever. I shouldn't complain because we're making money, but like sometimes it's not gonna be this easy, guys. That the market's gonna really do what you want it to do. Okay, I would want this 1 minute candle actually to close a bit higher. But 9 times out of 10 right now, he's gonna come fill this order block before shooting up. This order block that we created. Right over here. I put my phone in the charger and go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hopefully we don't get hit break even. Alright. I knew that we were gonna fill the order block. I just knew it. How is that? Sure. We might hit the lower one. Don't wanna get stopped out. That would suck. No, why do we hit break even? I want to catch this trade still on live. Okay, that's the first shot. So break even hit on second position. Sure that we're gonna liquidate again. Okay, let me quickly check. We will fill this 5 minutes for value gap. So we'll take profits in there. Let me get rid of some stuff now. Just check some stuff also. So I don't believe this will be hit. I mean, it's possible, huh? But I don't believe. Yeah, we have this huge value. Okay, this is possible, but we will react before. We will not have this move. For the upwards momentum that we currently had, if we have such a downwards move, I don't see it happen. Okay. What do we have here? Which we didn't hit. Okay, we hit it. We might just hit it again for the sake of it. We hit it before. Yeah, that's why I entered the previous trade. I nearly forgot. Might just do this again. Let me just see. There's no fair value gap, but we have this fair value gap here. Okay. This makes great sense. Okay. There's a couple options, guys. There's a couple options. We can place many scalps or go for the big trades. The moment I'm not doing nothing, there's a couple options. You can place this scalp. But over here, little scalp like we've been doing. If we fill more orders in this order block. So then we will just go a bit lower, we'll fill a bit more, and then we'll shoot up. And then we'll take the little scalp. So that's one option. Second option, and they're all valid trades. Fair value gap here. We hit inside it. And we take. I will do it with this. We hit inside it. Stop loss down here. And we're again gonna go for this fair value gap. Because this we need to fill. For sure. And even this order block. 5 minute one. Then, if we must get stopped out there, we can do this. And stop loss right over here. Still go for this fair value gap. So eventually we'll recover everything. Or we can wait for the fair value gap dates, depending on the momentum, how fast, if we go through it, I will most likely wait for this. We could also just do and go for a new high without a problem. But this will be a bigger trade. Bigger trade, and this is actually the breakout that a lot of people are waiting for to the upside. I mean, we could take that trade, but this will be a long trade, and I will close the live also before we're gonna actually hit that trade. If we go for such a big one. But I do not want to scalp anymore, because anyway we are in profit, and I do actually want to eat in a little bit. But for now I'm just waiting. So for now I'm not doing nothing. I'm just checking out the levels. I'm just gonna check out the levels. I might just not enter at all, but I do want to catch this sell also. Because if we would have taken the big trade, we would have been able to sell inside of it. At the moment, this is a bit complicated, guys. Okay, this is 5 minutes. This 5 minutes. It is 5 minute closes. Like this, I am pretty sure that we will move up. The 1 minute's also filling it up clean, and it also has a lot of gaps on the 1 minute here. I want to catch this. I want to take this, so that's just it. That is what I would really love to do now. Okay, starting to run. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. We should so reach this target. Come on. Ooh, there's clouds in the sky. Crazy. Okay, that's okay 1 minute. That's a okay 1 minute. I like that. I don't know. I do actually want to like get the sell. I don't think we should be placing any buys here. Because this would be it for now. To catch that. Or if we do this first. Yeah. These two I want to catch. You're late again. You missed everything. You know, I don't care what everybody says, but house music is the best music. It's the best music. There is no doubt that anybody could ever convince me that like rap is better than house music or something. Like there is nothing better. Like just the vibe and everything and blah 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 blah. It is so good. For real. Also, my live streams always get like registered as copyright. And I do not care. Okay, but are we gonna wait for these trades or not? Do you guys want to wait for these trades? Ah. See, 5 minutes also looking nice. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da-da. What is this 1 minute doing again? Is not what we want. Just shoot up one time. Yeah, it's a time and it will be slower momentum also. A bit slower momentum. Like I hate these little midget candles. So sad. I do want to just see something like this happen. Just a big candle we need. All right. Let's see. I don't think I'll enter any trades still on this live. Most likely just do them with the VIP. If I'm being honest, because they will happen. It will take some time. This. Okay. See, the 5 minutes is starting to slow down. Not really any big moves. I mean, I am bullish. I believe we'll get there first before hitting this. We could also. I think it's too late now. I mean, we could go for. We could go for this, but I would sell. Nah, it's too late. This should have just entered a bit sooner. Because anyway, I want to sell. I don't think I will take any more trades. If I'm being honest, guys, there's not too many opportunities anymore here. At the very moment. At this very, very moment. I'm just waiting for a bigger reaction because I know we'll most likely get one big reaction to be able to catch, and it will probably be able to catch this sell. And after the buy. And it's set perfectly. This is what I want to catch actually. It's perfect on the 5 minutes, it's perfect on the 1 minute. And anyway, we need to fill orders in here. And otherwise we'll fill them here, the buys, before we fill this. There's no empty gaps on the 1 minute. 0 empty gaps. That's why. But yeah, we're like accumulating at the moment on the 1 minute. So I'm expecting here for the short term to happen is that we keep this little accumulation that we start creating here. I will do again an AMD probably on this. So yeah, I think I will end the live to be fair. And share this straight in the VIP. Checking what the market is doing. Yeah, I'll end the live here, guys. I will be trading US session and probably enter this trade if we catch it together with the VIP. If you want to make sure that I enter it, make sure you apply for my VIP. So you either have my private group linked down, or otherwise you can just go to the bio of my YouTube channel, and you can send me a DM on Instagram. I will get back to you. Everybody that was on the live, you can get a free VIP spot from me. So yeah, let me know if you guys want it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just send me a DM. I'm distracted by the charts, so actually, oh, it's still accumulating. Like, I want to take this trade with you guys. So I for real believe this will happen. By the way, I hate this freaking accumulation. Okay, or even might go further through it. Would be highly possible. Okay, now we're gonna just keep accumulating a little bit. Okay, let's see how long. Let me stay live for a little bit more. Just for a little bit more. Oh, this song is so fire, guys. This. Today, I don't know if you guys can hear the music good, by the way. Super nice, huh? This lovely accumulation. I truly hate this. But what to do, guys? Now we were literally not moving at all. That's much fun. Fucking hell. Oh damn, but what is this? Like for real, man. Let's see how long we will still jump up and down. Damn. This is pretty... Wait. Okay. This is... Come on. So annoying. Don't know what to say. Okay, we're moving up. That's amazing. How do you guys like my singing talent, by the way? I think I'm pretty good, to be fair. A lot would say that I'm very bad. Okay. Will we keep accumulating or not? This is the biggest question of today. I think we'll keep accumulating. As pleasant as it is. I probably will make a move very soon. But yeah, not now. Seriously? Moves insanely fast. But doesn't do nothing, come on. I'm just placing cells every time we hit here. By the way. Just to catch these little trades. It's almost nothing. Because we're buying at the moment anyway. Oh no, wait. Oh no, I'm not even in a buy trade. Yeah, I'm expecting us to go up. So that's why. Let's break out now. This would be amazing. Just placing cells till we break out. Then I will just take a 30 pip loss on the cell. That's it. So far I'm catching this the whole time. But I cannot call it every single time, you know. Ooh, we might just do it now. That would be lovely. If we break through now, that would be amazing. How's the 5 minute looking? It doesn't look like it's ready yet for a breakout. 1 minute, yes. I want to catch this cell, come on. So sad. Yeah, I know it's boring and I also don't really feel to talk. but I want to catch this sell. I just want to do it for you guys to give you another trade. Expect that we break here. And then that we shoot up. That would make the most sense. And that's what happens 99% of the time. Then we might take a quick buy if we do this. We could buy before this sell. Not sure yet. Just pointing it out. Now they just manipulated everybody out of their buy or sell positions. So now it's gonna be the real deal. And I believe that we'll move up. First might move down. Tricky to say. Tricky to say. Oh, this music is so nice. Okay, I believe we'll jump there. Yeah, we need to fill that in. There's no other way. Okay, we're getting good momentum in the 1 minute. Yeah, this is what I kinda expected to happen. Let's just get somewhere. Because there's the opportunity is still there. Yeah, this should be it. This 1 minute candle closes now above. The 5 minute should start running up. me just get this. We should shut up. This we're not taking. We're looking at this. That is what we're looking at. Come on. Let's break up. Take this cell. Come on. Don't tell me that we're gonna accumulate again. Thank you. Bro, let's get a fucking good 5-minute candle. Oh. It's pissing me off. Like we hit this and... Yes, come on, come on. Move the fuck up. If it keeps annoying me, I'll probably end the live. Because I cannot... how many minutes did we wait since this started? Bro, it's 45 minutes. This accumulation. Thank you so much. That's very kind of you. Like at least we... okay. Yes, come on, shoot up. Don't be cringe now. We closed the buff, so let's just wait for the 5 minutes to close high, or just this 1 minute bullish. It can also close like this actually, it's fine. If we move up after. What is this, bro? This accumulation is nowhere near done. I have a feeling that's what it wants to make us think. I will fly up now. In the 1 minute looks good now to break out. If this candle closes bullish. Okay, but come on. I am so sure that we will move up, bro. Fucking hell. Now it's making a nice little accumulation again here. What's this? Oh, I'm getting so sick of it. I can feel that we're gonna have the breakout, like... I have a feeling. See, I have a feeling that we'll go up. Or just flicking here and boom. Because I want to catch this sell. Listen to your body, I want to get naughty. Can I really not there with you? Come on. Oh, I'm really sick of it, to be honest. Yeah, I know it. I should have just ended the live. Come on. This is so not nice. It's like an asshole move. Okay, we close down here. We close down here. Most, like, we should hit down. Oh, what the fuck, man. Now I see us breaking here before going there. But still. All these shitty accumulations. Guys, the road a bit further. I will take some time, but I believe we'll hit in this one. For sure. Or we keep accumulating. Oh my god, what is this? So sick of it. Okay, I'm gonna end the live here, guys. Because we're going nowhere. Like it's just annoying. So yeah, for those of you that want, I'm gonna be on the charts anyway. I will be trading with the VIP. So for those of you that want those trades, go to my bio. Either join my open group. You can send me a message there, or send me a DM on Instagram that you want to apply for the VIP. Make sure to tell me that you were in the live, and I'll give you a free spot for it, 100%. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the live. We made some good money. Unfortunately, we couldn't catch this last trade, but it was an amazing one. Peace.